Hello friends and welcome once again to the Great Indian Cookery Show. As last week, I am at this beautiful location at the Hub Mall in Karen, and as you can see the lush green lawns on this chilly Thursday morning, and we are here once again to tell you how to cook another great delicious Indian dish. And today it's quite chilly here at Nairobi, and the dish that we are talking about is a different kind of a chili, and the dish is called the chili garlic paneer. And this will be made by our master chef here, Mr. Puran Singh, and he is going to show you how this dish is made. Friends, the dish in itself is not very complicated, but provided you get the right amount of spices, the right amount of ingredients that go into making this delicious dish, and you're welcome at the Mayura to taste it and sample it. The dishes that the chef makes every Thursday 11:30 a.m. at the Mayura restaurant inside the Hub Mall in Karen. So without taking much time, let's see what the chef has got into and see how he cooks this delicious chili garlic paneer. So Chef Puran Singh, what are we cooking today? So this is a delicious starter and one of the most selling dishes at the Mayura called the chili garlic paneer. So let's see what the ingredients are. So let's start with here. This is ginger, onions, garlic, soya sauce, tomato ketchup, red chili powder, red chili sauce, cornstarch, some salt. This is white pepper. And of course the main dish with the green chilies is the about 200 grams of paneer, which is finely cut into small cubes. So what is the first step, chef, that we are going to do? We're going to take the paneer and season it with the spices, salt, white pepper, cornstarch, a slight sprinkling of water, and once the cubes are seasoned, just put it in shallow fry oil which is preheated and let it fry for how long, chef? About 2 to 3 minutes is what the chef says. Fry the cubes till they turn golden brown. Okay, so now the paneer has turned slightly golden in color and it's ready for the next stage, which is to put it in the pan for making the chili garlic paneer. So this is how slight golden brown color of the paneer looks like. Okay, take a pan and a little oil, some garlic, chopped ginger, slight bit of green chilies, a few onion cubes, red, yellow, green mixed color capsicum, and toss it slightly. Three spoons of dark soya sauce, vegetable stock, okay. A spoon of chili sauce, some tomato puree, some tomato ketchup, and a bit of a salt to taste. This is cornstarch in a bowl, vegetable stock, mix it gently, and the paneer cubes go into the sauce that the chef has prepared. Looks good. The cornstarch and vegetable stock is poured on top of the paneer and the sauce. Toss it slightly. Look at the beautiful chili garlic paneer That's almost ready to be served. There is a little bit of garnishing that the chef is preparing for spring onions. Okay. Time to plate now. And the beautiful chili garlic paneer is ready to serve. Some coriander and spring onions sprinkled on top. Beautiful. You see this? So the chili garlic paneer is now ready to be served to our customers, and let's see what our customers have to say about this dish. So friends, this was the dish of today, the chili garlic paneer in this beautiful mall called The Hub in Karen, and we are in this beautiful restaurant called The Mayura. I'll be here every Thursday at 11:30 a.m. and you're welcome to sample and learn the dishes from our master chef Puran. Till next week, it's goodbye from me, Rajiv. Thank you.